Hey there, car enthusiasts! If you're looking for an amazing addition to your ride, then look no further than the Car Radio 1-DIN Stereo Player Digital Bluetooth Car MP3 Player. This bad boy is equipped with all the latest features you need to take your car audio to the next level. First off, let's talk about the Bluetooth capability. With this feature, you can easily connect your phone for hands-free calling and music streaming. No more fumbling with your phone while driving. With this car radio, it's all at your fingertips. But it's not just about convenience, the sound quality is top-notch too. With a power output of 60 W/4, you'll be pumping out crystal clear audio that will make every drive an absolute pleasure. And with support for various audio formats like MP3, WMA, APE, and FLAC, you'll never run out of options for your listening pleasure. What's more, this car radio comes with a digital clock display, quick song selection function, and a full-function remote control for easy operation. Plus, the multi-circuit protection test ensures that your radio is always safe and secure. And the best part? It's super easy to install, so you won't need to spend hours tinkering under the hood to get it up and running. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your car audio experience with the Car Radio 1-DIN Stereo Player Digital Bluetooth Car MP3 Player. Click the link in the description to get yours today.